Hi, it's a Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. Another short edition of Family Weekend Vlogs. There's pie, there's dinner, there's a strawberry rhubarb lemonade. I hope you're having a great weekend and are still enjoying spending time at home. We're still at home. And we probably will be for a little bit longer. But thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Ava, what are we doing today?
Oh, we are taking this dishwasher out and putting a new dishwasher in.
Towels, please.
Oh,
from the countertop.
There's a little bit of teaching going on today.
Yes.
Where husband could do it all, but let's teach the girls how to use tools.
Fine. We already have our own toolboxes,
This is why.
so why not?
So if you go at it from this angle, right, the handle's here, but if you go at it from this angle, right?
While they're still working on the dishwasher, I thought I'd show you the pie I made the other day. Well, not the other day, I made it last night. It's a strawberry rhubarb, and it's delicious. It's been a while since I've made a pie. I think it's been like since last season. But I love pie, and homemade pie is the best. And this is the Bon Appetit, like BA's best strawberry rhubarb pie recipe. If you want to make it, it's amazing. What'd you do, girlie?
I did my new rainbow loom.
So this was an activity that Grandma sent so that you would have something to do during the weekends.
Yep.
So you like your new bracelet maker?
Yes, I do. I think I want to make another.
What you doing, girlie? Chalk art. The rest of our wall art has been washed away by the rains of May. So we're creating new wall art. So there's a lonely tomato plant in this pot, a couple of cucumber plants, nothing but herbs. There's basil, rosemary, parsley, oregano, a pooch, some dill, some thyme, and then more tomatoes down over there and in this area. There's also zucchini, pumpkin, patty pan squash, about 5 tomato plants, and a watermelon plant. All along the back side of the house is my strawberry patch here. Over beyond the dog on the other side is my mint patch, which I unadvisedly did not plant in a pot in the ground. I just put it in the ground and now it grows out into the grass. But when it gets mowed, it smells delicious. It's also definitely time to come and pick some strawberries because they're out here for sure. And either the bugs or the dog will eat them or we will eat them. So I thought I'd make a strawberry lemonade. And these are strawberries that my girls picked from the backyard. I took the tops off. I'm just quartering them. They're not really big, but they're so delicious. I do use a lemonade concentrate because although I do have a ton of lemons, I'm trying not to use them for things like this because I would rather use them in cooking. I do use both the zest as well as the juice in salads and salad dressings and all sorts of other things. So I want to save the lemons I have for that. If you were still able to just run out to the grocery store, I'd say, go get me, a dozen lemons, and I'd do it fresh. But this will work in a pinch. The one thing I am adding is this. This is a homemade simple syrup, and it's pink from the rhubarb. I put in a cup of sugar, 2 cups of water, a pound of rhubarb, about an inch of sliced ginger, and the peel of a whole lemon, and the juice of that lemon, and it's delicious. So this is going to be a strawberry rhubarb lemonade. And my new dishwasher is running. It's right here. My husband finally finished putting it in. I couldn't be happier, and I have it on the 1-hour cycle, which seems silly, but all of my dishwashers take forever up to this point, so this will be one where if I want it, they're mostly clean and I want it run in an hour, run and dry now. I'm so excited. It's our Sunday tradition. We're having paella again. I'm going to put this over here. And we're eating in the backyard, which I totally love. So waiting for my oldest daughter to come to the table, and then we're gonna
Dig in.
And homemade sodas.
Homemade sodas. What did you put in your homemade soda?
A fly.
It's a fly, Ava.
It
It's
is
okay.
a
It's not
bee.
going to kill
And it is
you.
Still everything everywhere.
What's in your homemade soda, Ava?
Carbonated water, little bit of simple syrup, and an entire grapefruit.
Ooh, fresh citrus sodas and homemade paella. It's going to be a good evening. Quit giggling at me.
As long as we can keep it kosher.
Oh, that lemon juice.
Delish. Leave some for your sis.
I'll try. Why is it so hard?
Probably because it's a lemon and it hasn't been rolled to release the juices.
Why didn't you roll them?
Because everyone needs to get stronger.
Kidding me?
Get some stock footage of the dog.
Hello, Pooch. Thursday. Come here, girl. Come here.
Who's a pooch? Are you my girl? You my good doggy? You certainly are. Oh, they found your ball. I can hear the squishy squeeze. The squishy squeeze. I love you, Pooch. He's a good girl.
She's missing it.
Thursday. Really thought.
That was a great throw. She wants the noise more than anything else.
We do actually have a fire pit in another part of the backyard, but since there are coals going right now in the grill, we thought we wouldn't let them go to waste. So we busted out the marshmallows, the chocolate, and the graham crackers, and it's time for some s'mores. Our dog is desperately waiting for someone to drop a toasted marshmallow, which is not gonna happen, dog.
Good luck.
Not gonna happen, Pooch.
I'm not gonna bite you.
My marshmallow is amazing and delicious and falling into my hand here, so I gotta eat this
You're
deliciousness.
Come on.
Attack of the marshmallow goo.
Attack of the marshmallow goo.
Oh, that's a
Go,
big
go,
bite.
go, 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 go. More.
Eating and toasting at the same time there, girly.
Yep.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being subscribed. I really appreciate it. I don't know how much longer I'm going to do these weekend vlogs because our weekends are very similar. You'll find us on the couch watching a movie, making a more elaborate meal than normal, spending time in our garden, but we really do enjoy being together. And the greatest thing was my oldest daughter said the other day one of their Zoom assignments was to discuss how quarantine or lockdown had been affecting them, and everybody was really not liking it. She said that she loved it, and I was like, oh, thank you. And I think a lot of it is because she says I've spent more time with my family, and I know everybody in my house loves me and accepts me, and I'm not being judged. So she felt less of that social stress that she would get at school. And she's still, and I liked it because I'm able to get my work done soon and then just get the rest of my day going. And I was like, wow. So I love that she's been more self-governed. Both my kids have, and that they're really enjoying this time at home. So I hope you see that in our vlogs. We do have a good time and we enjoy it. Thank you for watching today. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Are you a good Pooch? Are you a good Pooch? Thursday. Come here, my girl. Come here. How are you? Yes, you are. Good dog.